Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.
Hey guys, and welcome to Vskills channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the jobs and career opportunities in Node.js. As we all know, Node.js is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that allows the developers to build fast, scalable, and server-side applications. So let's look at some of the common job roles related to Node.js. At number 1, Node.js Developer. A Node.js developer is responsible for developing server-side applications using Node.js. He must have a strong understanding of JavaScript, Node.js, and related technologies like Express.js and React.js. At number 2, Full Stack Developer. A full stack developer is responsible for developing both client-side and server-side applications. They must have a good understanding of front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. At number 3, DevOps Engineer. He is responsible for managing the deployment and maintaining Node.js applications in production environment. He must have a good understanding of deployment tools such as Docker and Kubernetes. Then comes Backend Developer. A backend developer is responsible for developing server-side logic of web applications. He must have a good understanding of Node.js and databases like MongoDB. Number 5, Software Architect. A software architect is responsible for designing and implementing the overall structure of Node.js applications. He must have an understanding of server-side frameworks and other related technologies. At number 6, Technical Lead. A technical lead is responsible for leading a team of Node.js developers and ensure that the team delivers high-quality code on time. They must have a strong leadership skills, technical expertise, and experience in managing the teams. Next is Quality Assurance Engineer. He is responsible for testing Node.js applications and ensure that they meet quality standards. He must have a strong understanding of testing frameworks like Mocha and Chai. Number 8, Mobile Application Developer. He is responsible for developing the mobile applications using Node.js and other related technologies. He must have an understanding of mobile application development and integration with back-end system. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready to build your skill set and become Vskills certified Node.js developer. If you like the video, then smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.